Hey guys, and welcome to another quick informative video. So today I will be showing you how to do a hard reset or a factory hard reset on your new LG Tribute Dynasty. So there's two ways to do it. Once going through the settings, go into General, scroll all the way down until you see Backup and Reset. Scroll all the way down again, and then it'll say Factory Data Reset. Make sure that you log out of your Gmail, and make sure that you also know your Gmail, your Google account and your password, because sometimes it does ask you to put that information back, and if you don't know it, it will lock up your phone. So warning for that. But if you have all that information, you know it, then that's how you do it. The second way is to actually do it with physical. So first you want to turn off the phone or take out the battery, whichever way. This way is if you guys forgot your lock password. Let's say you put a password on your screen to unlock your phone and you forgot it and you want to get back into the phone. This is the way to do it. Now remember, this will wipe everything on your phone, so it will erase everything. So to do this, and this is a personal way I like doing it, is you have to hold down the volume down and the power button at the same time. So let me show you. So 1, 2, 3, hold them down. Don't let go, don't let go, don't let go. Once it says factory or recovery mode, go ahead and release the buttons. Let's give it a sec. So it's loading, as you can see. So once you see that recovery mode, go ahead and release both buttons. Now, as you can see, here's some options. Let me see if you can read it. What you want to do is to scroll up or down is the volume up or down button. So to scroll down, you click the volume down, and to select, it's going to be your power button. So from here, you want to scroll down where it says wipe data factory reset, and click the power button, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says where it says all the way yes, and then click the power button, and it will delete all user information, and it'll basically bring back this phone to factory settings like if you just bought it brand new from the store. So I don't want to go ahead and reset the phone because I have a lot of information on there. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off. That's how you do a factory hard reset. After that, all you do is click reboot now, so you can saw what I did, and that is it. So thanks for watching guys.